Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial on how you can make your videos come from stinky aw 720p to beautiful 144p. Now my method uses the Windows Movie Maker 6.0. There's probably better methods considering how unstable this program is on Windows 10, but I don't care. So first you want to either import the video you want to improve or make a video from scratch. As you can see I've done here. To get the desired quality, you want to go to Publish Movie. Skip all of this other junk, and now you can, as you can see here, you can compress the video to your desired size. I choose 1 megabyte because it ensures the quality is extra crisp. I've already exported this video before, so let me show you what that looks like.
As you can see, it's already pretty great, but I like to go even further sometimes. So, to make it even better, you want to go and just repeat the same process again. But, as you can see, it now gives us the option to choose kilobytes instead of megabytes. Now, there's no exact science for this, so maybe let's go with like 11 kilobytes. That sounds good. If it lets us. And it doesn't. Okay, so 149 kilobytes also sounds pretty good. Now, I've also exported that one before, so let me show you what that looks like.